the front of the heart center, and we're just waiting for Joel. Joel's having to the echo. It's regarding to his blood pressure. It's always high, and they thinking it's probably the heart or the kidneys. So I don't know what's gonna happen next. And I'm with Andre here. Andre, say hi to them. Hi. 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 Yeah, we're just waiting for him, and we will come back I think next week for the result. And let's see what's the result. Sorry guys for my face. We just came from camping and I'm so dark. But we'll get back to you later. Good morning, good afternoon. Time check, it's 3 o'clock. Joel and Andre still asleep. So when we came from the clinic, the heart clinic, we just had a nap. We had the lunch and had a nap because Joel's working this afternoon. And we didn't get the result yet. The lady said that she will just they will just forward the result of the to the echo of Joel. She will forward that to the heart specialist, and the heart specialist will ring us if there's something wrong. But the lady said so far there's not much concern about it, but fingers crossed will be good. What do you call that? Because we've been worried about the blood pressure for the whole time. What I'm gonna do at the moment while Andre's asleep, I'm going to tidy up this fridge. It's a big mess. When I left for what do you call that, the camping trip, this is not like this. Look. So I'm going to put the other stuff in the bin because it's been there for a week now, because it's bin night tonight. So let's do this. Ito na lang yung kailangan kong linisin, but this one's the finished product. It's much better nung kahit kanina. Ito yung kalabasa. I'm going to cook that for dinner, Andre's dinner. I-adobo ko yan with pork belly. Tapos itong light and easy, ito yung dinner ni Joel kasi on a diet siya. So every Tuesday may nagde-deliver na food para kay Joel for his 1 week supply. At ito siya. It comes with this styrofoam. I'm gonna show you later kung ano yung laman yan mamaya. So kailangan ko talaga maglinis ng bahay. It's really dirty. So, konti na lang naman. So, I'll get back to you later. Hello guys! We're back! The two boys are awake. Joe's preparing because he's going to work soon.
Hello guys, I got called into work.
It's supposed to be his day off today, but he loves working, so I told him to just bring the caravan in front of the restaurant and live there, cause he's working there from Wednesday to Sunday, so might as well. Hi. Hello, everybody. Hello. Yeah, they just woke up and
Yeah,
I didn't even finish cleaning the house. If I win the lotto, I'm going to hire a nanny. Hi, babe.
Alright, babe, I'm gonna go. John just at 4:30.
Alright, see ya.
Love you.
Bye bye.
Bye bye, everybody. More videos to come very soon.
Very soon, very soon.
Bye bye, baby. I love you.
Yeah, because we're going on a holiday, a short holiday, in 2 weeks' time. So more videos coming. Sorry, we don't take video that much because we're just busy at work. Oh, Andre wants to go work with Dad. And now he's crying. Daddy, can you pick him up for a bit? Pick him up for a bit. He doesn't want Daddy to go. Hi. Poor Bubs.
I love me.
Oh, so how can you go to work?
Yeah, I'm gonna have to put him on the front. Strap him in. I'm gonna take my tablet anyway. Can you grab it, mate? Can't forget that.
What tablets? The Panadol Osteo.
Tablet.
Targin. I think we have to have this one.
Well, my dad's gotta go to work, mate.
How many? One?
Just one. One in the morning, one at night. That's it.
Did you ask them how to take this one?
I know how to take this one.
This tablet's for Joe's back because he always have back problems.
My back is for my hips and my feet.
Because he's getting old.
It's for my head.
Everything. Your water.
No, I'm just gonna swallow it whole. Swallow it dry. Well, my daddy's got a gun, mate.
What a silly question, hi babe.
Yeah, kinda.
Kinda.
Well, my daddy's got a gun.
Alright, I'm going to get Andre first, then we'll get back to you because Joel needs to go. You start at 4:30, hey? And it's 3:45 now. So, see ya!
Good mommy.
So guys, I'm going to show you the inside of the LINIS. Itong the blue bag, it means it needs to be in the freezer. Tapos ito, okay lang na nasa fridge. So I'm going to show you what's inside of that thing. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Okay. So, nakalagay dito, breakfast. So, meaning this is the frozen breakfast. We need to put this in the freezer. And ito, frozen lunch. Nakikita nyo, lunch. Then this one is the frozen dinner. So ito yung ano niya, ito yung style niya. So meron shepherd's pie, spaghetti carbonara, Dalawang shepherd's pie yung kinuha niya kasi favorite niya yung shepherd's pie. Lamb shank. Spaghetti bolognese. Eat. Then, rigatoni. So, yan. For 7 days niya yan na dinner. Tapos, yung breakfast, yung lunch niya, may nakalagay kung anong day. Abo, ito, day 4. So, yan. For 7 days din yan. Yan. So, may day 5. Di ko na iisa-isahin. Dre, no! No, close the door. Close the cabinet, please. Di ko na kayo nakita. Ito, day 1. Day 1. Meron din siyang, snacks. Baba, please. Please. Out. So, meron siyang breakfast, meron din siyang snack sa loob. So, the fruit, kung yung ginagawa ni Joe, the fruit, this would be his snacks. So, yun. Tapos, yung lunch din. So, gusto ko din yung light and easy so that I don't have to cook. You know, after work, you're so tired, you don't have to cook dinner for Joe. You just have to worry about Andre's dinner. So, it's good. And it's good for his health too. So, good. So, hi guys. We're in bed now. Sorry we didn't update you before. I tidy up a little bit and I prepare everything so that tomorrow Joe's good with Andre because he's going to mind Andre while I'm at work. And that's it. I'm going to work tomorrow until Sunday. So I'm 5 days on at work. Be good. Yay. And Andre's there. He's still awake, but he's really tired. It's way past his bedtime. It's already 8:30. So I think I might close the vlog now. Hope you guys like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and hope I see you on my next video. Good night, everybody. Good night, Ray. Bye. Bye. Good night, everybody.